I'm Mark.
And I'm Barbara Krebster-Frijan.
We've enjoyed the van we had a lot. It's had a lot of good miles, and we were thinking of replacing, either upgrading the van we had or finding something new. We ran across, it was a YouTube video about remote vans, and then we called up and you guys gave us a nice little tour of the factory. We liked a lot what we saw. A lot of improvements in terms of things that we saw as problems with our old van. We're very impressed with you guys.
You like the longer battery life, bigger water capacity.
And the improved water system in terms of better fitting. Oliver likes to travel. It's one of the reasons we got a van to begin with. He likes to navigate and he likes to see what's happening. We saw the bench system here. It looked ideal. Rest that comes up, and then it gives him a nice big sitting area that he can cruise along with us. Air conditioning system that if he leaves the van, he has to stay in there. He can stay there on hot days, and you know he's going to be safe there. I've been told that if I can manage to figure out the Starlink system and have him monitor the temperatures for me, I can even remote from the van to see what the temperature is.